Hi, good morning everybody. Your boy is back, and first time I ordered expensive machine in Amazon, that is a crush cutter machine or brush cutter machine. I don't know how to say, but it's a machine. So let's go for unboxing. This is the box, and yo, let's unbox. Being a Naga boy, I'm going to unbox by this now. Yo. Ouch! What is that? This is split. Yo. This is split, okay guys. Let's keep here. What is this? This one? Yo. This is the one. Oh. Safeguard. This is the main machine, okay. This is handle. Huh? Oh yeah, there is there. Ouch! Yo! This is the radiation zone. Yeah. What else? This is valve. What's that? I don't even know. Huh? Capsite thôi chứ đâu. What's that? This is the beaver that I got. Đeo đèo. Yo, looks like all is well, so I will try to fix, and after that I will show you. The machine is ready. See guys, I'm already came here in my field, so today I'm going to work as well as I will taste this machine. Okay, I'm going to taste this machine, so keep watching. I will show you how these machines work. So let's begin our show. I'm going to work out here. See. So bushy. Oh my god. Let's go and work out here. Okay guys, I will start working out here. See. Guys, it's good somehow. So the video, I'm going to end up here for a while because I'm going to work, focus on my work. So bye. Yeah. I work here. See, yo, even up there, okay, guys. Yeah, there. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Yo guys, I do a lot today and yeah, I'm a bit tired, and right now about to go back home. So enough for today, and thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting, okay guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yeah. So bye, see you in next video.